Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to create an invoice on Honeybook. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Honeybook and log into your account. So once you've logged into your account here, so what you're going to do now is you're going to create a project here. So click on new project so that we can set up an invoice for that project. So I'm just going to click on project. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in the project name. So let me just put in some information here. The project name, type, date. So I'm just going to create this project now. So I've created the project. So that's just a dummy project that I created. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to like create a file for this. So click on create file. So now under create file, you'll see an invoice option here. Click on create invoice. So click on the invoice option. So this is now going to generate the invoice now. So I'm going to click on it. Okay, so now when you get to invoice, what you can do, you can start a basic invoice, or you can there's a lot of templates here which you can choose, but I'll just choose basic invoice. That's fine enough for now, so I'll just choose that. And then here, so here you add the client details. So you add the whether it's a new client or existing client, the name, email address, where you want to uh send these details to. So you can just do that. Okay, so you can just plug in all those informations and hit on add, and then click on add. All right, so you get to this invoice page here. So this is where you can customize your invoice. So you can add in all your details here. So you can add your name, your billing to name, contact details here. You can add it, and then here you can add these services. So what is this invoice is for? So you can click on add new services, and then you can add in the cost and the quantity and all those informations here, everything. And then you can set up a payment schedule here if you want. So you can just click on add payment and then create a payment schedule if this is recurring invoice. And then if you scroll down, and then what you have to do is simply hit on next, and then complete. So once you're fully completed this invoice, then all you have to do is hit on this share option here. So this will generate an email and send this invoice as an attachment to your recipient, so whoever you want to send this invoice to. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.